Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Salesforce. In this video, we are going to discuss what is Mule ESB and why there is a need of Mule ESB. How is it better than point-to-point integrations? But before we learn about Mule ESB, we'll first discuss one scenario. Somewhere in a place very far away, there is a city. In that city, only two people live. You in house A and your friend in house B, and you want to visit your friend's house. You created one path from A to B and traveled easily. After some time, two more friends join in. They moved in that city and built their own path to visit each other's houses. Now imagine what will happen if thousands of people came into this city and created their own path. See, CJ also got panicked. Don't worry, that's why we have common roads. So, you got it right. There can be an alternate solution for this. These four friends can make a common road between their houses to travel. Similarly, in integration, we can have point-to-point integrations, but this approach can't stand when many applications are involved. That's why we use ESB. Point-to-point integrations can be messy, but ESB is structured. Point-to-point integrations are complex and expensive to implement when many points involved, whereas integrations which use ESB are easy to develop. P2P are hard to maintain, but ESB easy to maintain. This is the basic structure of ESB, in which we can have multiple producers and consumers, which are connected in bus-like structure. Producers can communicate with consumers using this bus. So let's revise ESB. ESB is Enterprise Service Bus. It is an architecture. It provides certain sets of rules and principles. It integrates several apps over a bus-like infrastructure. It enables apps to easily communicate with each system on bus. It provides centralized management. Today, modern applications involve lots of systems, and point-to-point integration between them can look like this. Yeah. It looks complex, right? This problem is solved by Mule ESB, which provides a bus-like infrastructure and can connect any type of system. It is a lightweight Java-based ESB. It is loosely coupled, highly scalable. It enables asset reuse and data transformations. It improves speed and productivity. It provides API-led connectivity. We'll learn more about API-led approach in detail in upcoming videos. So, I hope this video helped you in understanding Mule ESB. We'll learn more about MuleSoft in my future videos. Till then, bye. And don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.